So how do you use the Pro camera mode on the iPhone? Let's get started. Let me show you how it works. If you're new here on this channel, most definitely subscribe so that way you're not going to miss anything important. So obviously you can use your built-in iPhone camera. That's good enough. And in there, if you go to the video, you have some different modes outside of the regular mode, right? So you have the slow motion, time-lapse, and cinematic. And cinematic is widely considered to be like the professional mode because the way that it works is that it focuses on one subject and everything around it is like blurry. So, it tries to replicate the actual DSLR camera and, like this professional setup. So try to explore the cinematic mode within your iPhone camera to get more of the professional camera mode or approach. But if you need just more controls, you will probably need to check out a different camera applications on the App Store to get more professional features. There are two apps which I want to show you for this. The one is from Apple and it's called Final Cut Camera. You can get it for free from the App Store, and inside of that app you have more features. So you can change the focus. You have like a manual slider for the focus. You have more features in other departments like the temperature or the white balance can be adjusted manually, which you don't have the option to in the built-in camera app. Or you have some other things like the zoom and exposure and all of that, and also some perks and features like the level, exposure indicator, and focus peaking, right? So you know exactly what you're focusing on. So it's actually very useful, right? So that is the Final Cut from Apple. And another camera is called the Blackmagic camera, which you can as well get from the App Store. It's not from Apple anymore, but it also works very well. This one is great because it has all of the same features, but you can also, for example, set up an iPad as the viewfinder, right? I have some tutorials on this channel, so yeah, go ahead and check it out if you want. But that is what I wanted to mention. Hit the thumbs up if you found this video useful. Let me know what you think below in the comments, but most definitely stay tuned by subscribing and make sure you don't miss anything important, any new updates. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.